Dear investors, thank you. Thank you for being with us as our patrons. It's really a privilege to have you all this while. The last 3 months have been a good relief for all of us. The Indian equity markets have delivered nearly 20% returns, and the good part about this time is that the market's rally has been fairly broad-based. In fact, a lot of mid-cap and small-cap stocks are actually up by 25 to 30%. So after the major crash in the month of March, I think this is a good respite to all investors, to all equity investors. India is now moving from the great lockdown to the opening up, and we have seen a lot of businesses now probably coming to nearly 75 to 80% of their pre-COVID utilization levels. We believe that this opening can actually be a big catalyst, actually can be a big transformation, and digital is probably going to play a very, very important role in this transformation. In fact, we think it's like from the great lockdown to a digital transformation. So the businesses which are going to be enablers for this transformation, or the businesses that will adapt this technology as quickly as possible, will probably come out as big winners. We have positioned our portfolio in the last 3 months towards that. For example, we have added telecom stocks. We have the two largest players in the country, Bharti Airtel and Reliance Industries, in our portfolios. We have also added a technology company, HCL Technology Companies, which is the fourth largest company in the country. We believe that as the economies open up and as every business starts adapting to the technology, so IT companies will come into forefront. We also have significant overweight to the pharmaceutical sector. In fact, as you must have observed in your portfolios, that we have nearly 15 to 20% weightage in that sector, and that sector has actually done quite well in the last few months. All three of our stocks, Divi's Lab, Sun Pharma Labs, and our new addition, Laurus Labs, actually have given fairly good outlook for their businesses. So we are quite optimistic on their businesses. If you also see, the big FII selling that happened in the month of March has actually got reversed in the equity markets in the last 2-3 months. FIIs have actually come back investing probably more than what they had sold in the month of February and March, which is almost $5 billion plus. So we are quite hopeful that things are going to get better from here, simply because the valuations of most of the businesses are very reasonable, and particularly in the mid cap and the small cap stocks, valuations are probably somewhere closer to the replacement values, or probably in some cases even below replacement values. So from that perspective, we believe that over a period of next 1 or 2 years, Indian equity investors will be rewarded quite handsomely. Thank you.